golden egg, beef rice. Cut some vegetables. Chop the spring onion. Cut the king oyster, mushroom. Cut the garlic. We use Jinli series, 2,500 milliliters stock pot. Add in some oil. Stir fry the garlic until fragrance. Add in the rice. Flatten the rice. The water level just covers the rice is good. Cook until boil. Place the sliced vegetables, oyster mushroom, and beef on top. Pour the sauce over it. Cover it up. Turn off the heat once it comes to a boil. Stir fry the salted egg.